Hello, mga amigo, mga amiga. Just, kitang duha ba?
Agay. Okay, kung dilo. Hello, mga amigo, mga amiga. Today we have a new toy that we are going to unbox, a heat press.
So, we purchased this heat press because we intend to print our own shirt. So, hopefully everything will go as planned. We will be able to share to you some of our outputs. So, we want to print our own shirt, our Just Bite shirt. But since we have some requests, we have printed also in a one whole panel. So we are going to build, or we're going to print roughly about 20 shirts for this one. And we are going to share to you the process from unboxing to hit press of all those t-shirts. So stay with us and hopefully everything will go as planned. So just please unbox the hit press.
Okay.
So by the way, this hit press is sapphire. Most of the users are also using sapphire. So we have here the machine itself. Yeah. Okay. What else? Yeah. So just the machine. So let us try if this one works or not. Extension just.
Extension.
So we'll try if this one working. This one is working. So by the way, this is again this is a sapphire hit press. So yeah, this is a slide type. We're in a drawer type. This is a drawer type wherein we can just slide and then okay, let's open this one. Huh?
Ay, sulog.
So din yun.
Patong ra.
Yan na, di ba?
Dili.
Katong ra. Huh? So we turn this on. Okay, ito no, dreamy. Set. Set me ba?
Mas mo tumanwal yan niya. Kung tugbutangan.
5 seconds.
Huh?
Siguro mo? 42 na lagi na.
Let's do at this press. So by the way, for the sapphire, we're setting up at 160 degrees Celsius for 5 to heat up the or to prepare the cloth. So uh,
2 seconds maybe.
mm. Okay, and then hope for the best. Adjust, ano adjust? Baliktad. Adjust. Kana sakto? And then set for, okay, 5 seconds. Adjust kung straight ba just?
Awa, may nabudokog dapat na kay guide.
Sige lang, good.
5 seconds, maybe 5 minutes.
5 seconds ra. Okay? Straight. All right. Second. Ini tayo. Dili.
Mga videos kay Pin lang nila dalagi.
Peel ako ah. Okay, so let's peel it off. Okay, looks good. Wow. Woohoo. Okay, press one more time. All right, looks good. Wow. How is it? Looks good to me. So yeah, hopefully guys, we will be able, once this one will cool down, let's check the material if everything is good. Yeah, hopefully we can share some of the few printings that we have. If you love this shirt, please like and subscribe and do message us what size of shirt do you have, what size do you like. Give us your address and we are going to share to you some of the first outputs that we have here, right? So thank you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I think this one will fits very well with Jasper. He is a medium size shirt. Right. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.